Welcome back to my channel. Stop overpaying for your domains. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your domain from any registrar, whether it's Hostinger, GoDaddy, or Namecheap, to Cloudflare. Step by step, zero downtime, and cheaper renewals. Today I'll use Hostinger for the demo, but these steps work with GoDaddy, Namecheap, and more. Important, if you want zero downtime, first move your name servers to Cloudflare. I've written a step-by-step DNS guide. Link is in the description. Why you should switch to Cloudflare. Reason number 1 is cost. All registrars' renewals and upsells can double your bill. Cloudflare charges at cost, near wholesale pricing. Reason number 2, simplicity. If you already use Cloudflare DNS and security, registration here keeps everything in one place. You also get built-in WHOIS privacy and super fast propagation. Here's what you need before starting: a Cloudflare account, access to your current registrar, your domain unlocked, the EPP or authorization code, and a payment method. Log into Cloudflare. If you do not have the account, you can sign up with Gmail. Go to Domains. Transfer. At first, mine showed client transfer prohibited because the domain was locked in Hostinger. That's the first thing you need to fix. Next, in Hostinger, I opened domain settings and disabled the registrar lock. Every registrar has this option. Note, it may take minutes or hours to reflect globally. After a short wait, I refreshed Cloudflare. Now it showed my domain was ready to transfer. The price? .com domain, just $10.46. No markup, includes 1 year of renewal. Now click on the confirmation. Now Cloudflare asking you enter the authorization code. So, we need the transfer code. With WHOIS privacy on, Hostinger wouldn't show it. So I turned privacy off, then clicked to request the EPP authorization code. Mine appeared instantly. I had copied the code. Back in Cloudflare, I pasted the authorization code, confirmed, and continued. Cloudflare requires your contact info, including personal details, and then the transfer fee payment. I use card. You can also use PayPal. I had to skip the video because there was some personal details in the recording. After entering the contact details, click on Verify Address. After that, click on Confirm and finalize transfer. The amount will be charged against your credit card as saved previously. After payment, Cloudflare is showing your transfer is underway. Now we get 2 emails, one from Cloudflare confirming the transfer request, and one from your old registrar. Here the Hostinger, confirming they received a pre-approved request for domain transfer to other registrar. Please contact before the date mentioned if you want to cancel the request. This is the date at which transfer will complete. The transfers usually take 5 to 7 days, as per ECN rule. A few days later, I got the final email, transfer complete, and also from Hostinger saying your domain is canceled. Don't be confused by this domain canceled email from Hostinger. When a transfer works, they cancel the old registration. This means the transfer to Cloudflare is complete and successful. My domain is now managed under Cloudflare Registrar. And that's the full process. Transferring to Cloudflare saves money, reduces upsells, and simplifies management. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions. Link to my DNS guide is in the description.